Welcome back to another Daishinfinity video. In this video, we're going to talk about the proof of the derivative product rule formula. The derivative of two products of two functions f and g is just equal to the derivative of the function f multiplied by the function g plus the normal function f times the derivative of g. So in this video, let's try to prove this formula. First of all, before we dive right in, we have to take in consideration what the definition of a normal derivative is. So the definition of a normal derivative is just equal to the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Now if we have f of f times g and we take the derivative, then we have to take the limit of that derivative. So we just have the limit as h approaches 0 and just put the x plus h in their own inputs. So we'll have f of x plus h times g of x plus h minus f of x times g of x all over h for now. The question we are now going to ask is, how can we let it become a sum of two quantities, because we want to have f prime times g plus f times g prime. So we have to take the limit of two quantities. So we have to split the whole fraction into two different quantities. We can do it right now by doing f of x plus h g of x plus h over h minus f of x g of x over h. But this will not help us because we cannot divide it into two. So what we are going to do is we're going to add and subtract the same thing, because if we do that, then we'll just theoretically add a 0 to it, because 0 is the same thing as a minus a, or anything minus anything. Okay, so we just add something to it. So we had the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h, g of x plus h, and then minus f of x, g of x, and all over h. Now we're going to add and subtract something here. What we're going to do is we're going to add and subtract the simple term f of x plus h times g of x. Now the reason why I'm going to do this is because if I do it, then I can take this term